HST2025 Day 10 program commenced with study group report outs. Study groups 3, 4 and 5 provided a report of the previous day's activities. These included the perimeter workshop programs, computing at CERN, the visit to the data center and the mystery box workshop, as well as the medical applications of particle physics presentation. Dr. Niels Tuning presented a report on the LHCb detector. The LHCb, that is the Large Hadron Collider Beauty, experiment at CERN studies the subtle differences between matter and antimatter, specifically focusing on particles containing beauty quarks, also known as B quarks. It aims to understand why the universe is primarily composed of matter, even though equal amounts of matter and antimatter were created at the Big Bang. Yiota Chatzidaki presented a fascinating presentation on the Alice detector at CERN, including an amazing sing-along YouTube video. The Alice detector at CERN is designed to study quark-gluon plasma, a state of matter thought to have existed shortly after the Big Bang. It does this by colliding heavy ions like lead at extremely high energies, recreating conditions similar to the early universe. The afternoon session commenced with a fascinating antimatter research at CERN presentation by Dr. Carli. CERN is actively researching antimatter properties using several experiments, primarily focused on antihydrogen. These experiments aim to study the behavior of antihydrogen, its interactions with gravity, and its spectral properties. CERN also utilizes the antiproton decelerator, AD, and ELENA facilities to produce and decelerate antiprotons for these experiments. Participants then undertook an engaging Ozobot Robotics Workshop. Color coding was used to control the micro robots, to increase speed, decrease speed, turn left and turn right. Participants thoroughly enjoyed this activity and could see several applications in the classroom. The final activity of Day 10 was the highly anticipated tour of the Antimatter Factory.